Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by selecting a high-resolution photo for the trend edit. Choose a JPG or PNG that is at least 1024 x 1024 pixels. Duplicate the original file and keep a backup copy before editing. Crop the image to the target aspect ratio, for example 16:9 or 1:1. Decide on focal framing and composition using the rule of thirds. Export a working copy as PNG to preserve quality and transparent layers if needed. Open Chatgpt and prepare a clear editing prompt for the new trend. Describe the overall style, like cinematic or pastel tones, and name the mood. Specify exact dimensions such as 1024 x 1024 or 16:9 for framing. Tell the model which areas to preserve with a mask and which to alter. Add texture specifics like 35 mm grain, soft highlights, or a subtle vignette. Request step-by-step layer actions and color hex values if you need precise matching. Follow Chatgpt instructions to apply edits in your chosen photo editor step by step. Use adjustment layers, masks, and curves to refine highlights and shadows precisely. Increase contrast between 1, 2, and 1. 5 times depending on the image depth. Add grain, dodge, and burn with low opacity brushes for natural texture. Export the final image as PNG at maximum quality and also save a JPG at 80% for social uploads. Post with trend hashtags and schedule at peak engagement times like 6 p.m. local.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.